Hey guys, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. My name's Nyla and today I am showing you a 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle. Absolutely beautiful red. Got the top, the black hard top here, black interior. It is a manual 5-speed, but just look at how beautiful it is. All of the chrome is in great condition. Looks like it's had some definite upgrades and updated features in here, which can all be found in the description listed below. But I'm just doing a quick little walk around for you so you can really see the beauty behind this car. It is absolutely gorgeous. Those rims and tires on there are super slick. And she sounds even better when you start her up. Give you a little better glimpse of the interior here. And then we are going to follow it up with a shot of the engine bay with the engine running. And then we're going to take for a ride, and then we'll take a look at the underneath. But just in absolute immaculate condition. Super cool. All right.
Resto mod, LS7 Corvette engine in it, 5-speed Tremec transmission. Got a really nice write-up on the car. Just wanted to show you. Look at the gas pedal, clutch, and how it's not all worn out. The back of the seats. The guy really did a nice job with the car, and I guess he got sick, and that's why we're selling it now. He's not able to take it out. But this is a highway car. This is the car you can take one of those big long cruisers around the country in.
Sure.
It's got power steering and brakes. It hit the 5-speed, so when you get it on the expressway, you can do 80 miles an hour. So let's get her out of the building and let's get her down the road, go through the gears, and then let me throw it up on the hoist for you so you can see what that looks like.
Okay.
Outside, nice beautiful day. The car just acts, newer. It's really quite amazing. It goes down the driveway, doesn't have a big creak to it or anything.
Sure.
Can't get it out in this little stretch here, but we'll make a right-hand turn, race her up to the light.